video this way. I can hold them up. There's the brother. It's Mr. Chunky Boy. And here's the sister. Hi guys. Okay. Do you not need this towel? Sometimes the younger litters need the towel because they slip around a lot on the pads. They have a lot of hair on the pads of their feet. So sometimes the towels are nice because they have something to kind of grip on their legs with so that they're not slipping on the floor so much. Here, sweet girl. Oh. Come here, sweet girl. You're exploring, aren't you? Come here. What did you hear? It's your bumblebee toy. Come here, we can't see you. She's just walking around exploring. You want this ball? Okay. Here she is. Hi. What do you think? It's a bumblebee toy. That's your favorite? Okay. What did you see?